Good afternoon. My name is Alena Shautsova. I am an immigration attorney from Brooklyn, New York. In today's Our Legally Speaking seminar, I would like to speak to you about how old immigration filings may help you to fix your immigration status. One of the questions that I ask clients who come to see me is if anybody filed anything for you prior to April 30th, 2001. And some people will say, yes, I remember that my mother's sister filed for my mother and I was included in the application. Or they might say that, yes, my mother, who back then was not a US citizen, filed for me and now she is a US citizen. Or they may say that, I remember that my old employer tried to sponsor me, but it never worked out. Guess what? Those old immigration filings that you might have forgotten about may save you from being deported. For example, let's say that you came to the country a long time ago and tried to fix your immigration status through your relatives or employer back then prior to April 30th, 2001. It didn't work out, or you had to wait for a very long time. Now you have an employer who is willing to sponsor you, but you're afraid and you know that because you entered the country illegally or because you overstayed your visa, every lawyer told you that you will not be able to get your green card. Guess what? If you do have an old immigration filing, it may help you to cure those violations that we just spoke about, violations of immigration law. There is a special provision in immigration law called grandfathering, when your current petition can in fact help you to get adjustment of status or green card if you were petitioned by an employer or by a family member prior to April 2001, April 30th, 2001. Of course, there are other minor conditions that must be met before you apply for the green card, and that's why you have to consult with an attorney. But you should keep in mind that if you were included in an old immigration filings, even as a dependent for your parents, for your mother, father, or maybe a brother or a sister filed for you, or an old employer, you might have a chance to fix your immigration status without the need of a waiver. Many people refer to this provision as amnesty, which I would not call an amnesty. However, it has almost the same effect. So if you know, or if you think that you might be included in an application that was filed a long time ago, you absolutely should see an attorney. I hope that little video was helpful, and if you have more questions, please address them at www.shautsova.com. Thank you.